Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change orientation to landscape on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change orientation to landscape on Google Docs, open your Google Docs and click on File tab on upper left corner. Then scroll down and you will find an option page setup. Click on page setup. Under page setup, the first option is apply to, and by default whole document is selected. Now I am going to show you how to change orientation to landscape on whole document, and then I will show you how to change orientation in selected page. Click on the drop down menu here and select whole document, and under orientation you will find portrait two options, one portrait, another one is landscape. Just select landscape. Now click OK. Look, the whole document orientation has been changed to landscape. Now again I am going to change orientation to portrait. Select whole document and click on portrait and then click on OK. Now I am going to show you change orientation to landscape on selected page. I will change orientation to landscape on this selected page. Just select the content and again click on File tab on upper left corner and then click on Page Setup, and here you will find Apply to and selected content is selected. You will find here two options, whole document and selected content. Just select here selected content and then under orientation click on landscape and then click on OK, and look, the selected page has become landscape and other pages are still in portrait. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.